Alright, one thing I forgot to tell you is on that sealant, on the transmission pan, when you swap all the stuff over for the gasket, you could just plop this on here and then bolt it up, but it doesn't really give you that good of a seal. So you buy the gasket sealant, and you just want to put a light coat around, clean it off, make it clean. So just go around it, push all this stuff out. So you go around it, and you want to get it in there. This is gonna squirt out over the sides and everything, but it's all fine. Your main focus is to get a thin coat. Just take your finger, you can wet it, but you can just get you a thin little coat, just like that. Just a thin little coat. Take that, just thin it out really nice, and then plop the gasket on top of it. That'll make that tight, and then when you're about to put it in, do the same thing on top of this gasket. Pour another layer on top and smooth it out, and then you should have a nice good seal on your transmission pan. Alright, thank you.